Can we fix message unavailable on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can actually fix message unavailable on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the message unavailable on Instagram actually occurs when you are in your DMs right here, and if something that your friend sent is now no longer working. So let me show you an example right here. So as you can see in this image that the message is unavailable, this content may have been deleted by its owner or hidden by the privacy settings. So in the case that a post, if sent by someone, is hidden by its owner or simply due to their privacy settings, the message gets unavailable to view by anybody else. So in that case, there is no actually current settings which you can enable to make that not happen. So you can check out your settings, you can head over to your settings, you can play around with your settings, you can see your messages and story replies, you can see all of your different content preferences and stuff like that, but still you will not be able to find anything that will not make this happen. As why this happens is due to the owner of that very post or that very reel has deleted the message itself. So if they have deleted the post or they have deleted their entire maybe even their account, disabled their account, the message will get unavailable due to the post not existing anymore. So yeah, there is no actual way you can fix this. So yeah, the message unavailable on Instagram cannot be undone. And that's basically it for today's video. I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.